Well, we had a bit of an incident on our Zero to Awesome polar experience. If you hear that dinging, that's my phone. We've been looking for it for about an hour.
Does it still have air?
I don't think, I can hear it, but I can't see it. I did a bad thing. I completely ruined my snowboard. The last time I used this snowboard was probably about 2 years ago, and in my defense, I did put it away nice and clean and dry. I store it in this nice waterproof bag with my old snowboard, and at some point, I guess water got in there. I think it happened. I moved on a rainy day, and I'm sure this bag got wet. And so it just festered in here, and the bindings got nasty and moldy. And worse than that is the metal edge on the bottom that you actually use to cut into the mountain, the thing that makes you snowboard, is super rusty. The even worse news is I leave to go snowboarding in a couple days, so I did not have time to order the tools to fix this right, if it even can be fixed. So I'm just gonna try and fix it with, you know, whatever's in the garage. Not smart, but hey, at least now we have a project. Even my old snowboard, which hasn't been used in years, is just as bad. So I'm definitely thinking water got into the storage bag somehow. Hiss, it's a snake. First part of the plan, and what I think is gonna be the easiest, is just to clean up these bindings. Put down something nice and soft so we don't ruin our already ruined snowboard. I'm gonna start by just brushing these things off and seeing how clean we can get them. Tool number one, the brush for my workbench. Already losing things, so tool number two is a little cup to hold crap in. Hold things in. These buckles are just destroyed. I'm sure if I had time, I could order new ones, but haha, I'm leaving in 2 days. My little parts cup gave me an idea. Just gonna spray these things down with some WD-40, garage tool, not meant for snowboards, number 3. Let those marinate for a while while we move on to garage tool number 5. Is that what we're up to? It might be meant for your windshields, but it says it cleans rubber, vinyl, and plastic. We're gonna stop counting the number of non-snowboard car tools that we're using for this, because that's just gonna get out of hand. And while I'm doing that, I'm grabbing my tire brush for car tire cleaning. That actually cleaned up the gunk and grime really, really well. So yeah, rubber cleaner for your car is really good on your snowboard. I'm so impressed, I think when I'm all done, I'm gonna get some interior cleaner out and just do the whole thing. Next up is what scares me the most. It's the rust on the bottom. I don't know if it's salvageable. The only thing I really have to fix it with are some sharpening stones for like a pocket knife and maybe some fine grit sandpaper. Anyone who knows anything about snowboards is probably having an aneurysm right now. Thankfully, I know nothing about snowboards, but this thing is actually working, unlike the sharpening stone, which was just getting gummed up with rust. Take a look. We have nasty rust being sanded away to nice, fresh steel. These actually came out pretty sharp, like dangerously maybe too sharp. The bottom probably, let's be honest, needs a waxing. If I have time when we get up to the mountains, I'll probably take it somewhere for a wax job. Maybe they can help me out, check the edges, make sure I did some things okay. But for something that I thought was maybe going to go in the trash, I might actually get to ski on it this year. I'm gonna clean it up, put the bindings back on, put some oil on the edges just to protect them because it is gonna be on the roof of a car for a day getting to Colorado. And then I'll see you on the mountain, or hopefully see you on the mountain, and not in that whole bare tree situation. Hey look, here we are on top of a mountain. And by on top of a mountain, I mean here we are sitting in my living room recording me saying this because there's no way you could hear what the camera picked up. So right now, this is day 3 of skiing, and I apologize that you're looking at my feet because I guess the camera was just pointing at my feet. I think they're nice feet. Regardless, before the first day of skiing, I took my snowboard to a ski shop. They took a look at it, and they said, hey, it actually looks fine. You're not going to die. You just need some wax. So they clearly didn't know what they were talking about, but it worked out. The second day was pretty icy, which is when you really want some nice sharp edges on your skis or snowboard, and it worked just fine. So if you have a rusty old snowboard that doesn't look repairable, just take a power sander to it. Or not. I am not an expert. Don't listen to that. That's it for this one. Remember, leave us a thumbs down and an angry comment. Really like those. I now have to figure out how to get down from the mountain while wearing a camera and talking to myself. Doesn't look crazy at all. Until next time, please send help. Guess what? VoiceOver Alan's back. So right here, if you look closely, you can see a great moment of failure. We stopped to take a picture, and then down at the bottom of the mountain, I reach in my pocket, and guess what? My phone is gone. Somewhere right around here, we lost my phone. We went up and down a couple of times, calling the phone, trying to find it on Find Friends, and no luck until the magical happened, until this. Well, we had a bit of an incident on our Zero to Awesome polar experience. If you hear that dinging, that's my phone. We've been looking for it for about an hour.
Does it still have air?
I don't think... I can hear it, but I can't see it. Oh my God, where is it? You know, we were looking at those shovels at the ski store.
It's right here.
Oh yeah, we're much closer. Oh my God.
There it is! That's it, we saved a life. We saved a life.
And it, you know, it's very cold, but other than that, it's working great.
Now, did you lose my phone?
Oh, your phone's in my helmet.
Oh, okay.
If my helmet rolls away, we're gonna have to start all over again.
Or my helmet, that's my helmet.
Oh my God.
Oh, that's your helmet.
Now I gotta get all the way up there and get my snowboard.
That's amazing.
Well, if you like what you see, don't forget to subscribe.
No, we could start a lost cell phone rescue patrol.
If you've lost a phone on a mountain, leave a comment below and we'll go look for it. Apparently when we lost my phone, we lost it at the top of a horrible, horrible run. So we found a phone, almost cost us our lives.